process of working on BloomBites, a website for restaurant that let customer order food online and of course book tables, reserve tables, and pay through Gcash or Maya. So we're not done yet, but we wanted to show you what actually happening right now. So, yeah, no fake progress, no fake edits, no fantasy edits, just us figuring things out as we go. And today, we'll show you who's doing what, what's working, what's giving us headaches, and how we're keeping each other on track. Let's get into it. So, me, okay, my main job is making sure that we're all building the right thing. I assign tasks based on what's need to get done next, and of course I review everything before it moves forward. For example, Kaiser or Bien sends me a prototype design and I'll check it if they match the client asked for and if they fit for our timeline. If something's too complicated or off scope, I flag it early so Erwin doesn't waste time building it. I also keep track of our meetings, write down decisions, and of course, update our documentation so we don't forget what we agreed on. Honestly, yeah, honestly, a lot of my day is messaging the group like, "Hey, what did you finish hey, did you finish this? Or is this already done? Can you check this again?" But keeps us moving. So, anyway, let's see what others are up to.
Hi everyone, I am Erwin, the full stack developer and system analyst of our group. My main responsibility is building and configuring our website in WordPress based on the prototype and the layout that we planned and designed. Right now, I'm working on building the pages in WordPress and making sure that the website matches our system documents. And I'm also setting up the plugins that we need, like WooCommerce for the online store, Cadence for the website design, and other plugins for forms, reservation, and payments. Some of my teammates are also assigned to configure certain plugins, so I help review their setup to make sure everything's works and connects with our system. Since many of the plugins we're using are still new to me, so I spend a lot of time researching and learning how they work by reading documentation, watching video tutorial, and testing different settings so I can better understand how everything fits together. I also test if the plugins are compatible with each other. For example, I check if the reservation plugins work correctly with WooCommerce, if the payment gateway appears properly during checkout, and if the website layout works well on mobile devices. Sometimes I encounter small issues like button not displaying properly or the cart not updating correctly. So I troubleshoot it and adjust the setting until everything works as expected. Aside from development, I also review our project documents and the configuration made by my teammates to make sure everything follows our system requirements and planned. I check if the feature settings and workflows are consistent with what we originally planned for the system so that we can avoid conflicts and keeps the project organized. as we continue developing the website.
Hey everyone, so I'm Bien, the UI designer. So I make sure that the platform looks clean and beautiful and is actually easy for customers to navigate. So I designed the initial prototype and now I'm helping that turn into a real WordPress using cadence blocks. So, my main goal is making sure that the design looks good and works well on phones. Most people will order foods or book tables using their phones. So, if the buttons are too small or the texts are hard to read, the whole thing fails. Now I'm using our brand colors, deep green and soft orange, and making sure that every page feels consistent, and I also check spacing and font sizes and button placement. If something looks off or feels slow, I tell Erwin and we fix it together.
I'm in charge of setting up the reservation system using the 5-star restaurant reservations plugin. Right now, since the public booking page isn't live yet, I'm mainly focused on configuring the backend so customers will be able to book tables easily once everything is ready. I'm working on things like how many tables we have, the capacity for each. For time slots, I'm also deciding if customers should automatically receive configuration emails after booking. For example, at the same time, I'm reviewing the plugin documentation and organizing all the settings so that once Taser and Erwin finish the front-end design, the reservation form can easily be integrated and work properly right away. Mm, I'm also coordinating with Erwin to make sure the reservation plugin won't conflict with WooCommerce or any other features added. With Taser, I'm discussing what fields and information the form needs to design and functionality match properly.
So of course, we're targeting completion by first semester, second term. So we still have few months to go. So we will be continuing developing on BloomBites all the way from first semester, second term. So this is only one part of our journey. Thank you for watching, guys, and smash that like button below and subscribe to follow our progress and drop a comment below if you're currently surviving on your own IT capstone. See you guys on the next update. Thank you so much.